doing? Mrs. Roller, how are you doing? Hey, Shane. John's here even. So, this is our first speech practice. Hey, what's up, Chris? Hey, Jonathan. I'm here too. So it's our first beach practice, Saturday, instead of regular practice. Kids are out, still gonna have fun today, challenge themselves. Oh, Jesus, dangerous around here, danger.
Come over here, dummy. Where's they? Bro, what?
I don't know, I guess not.
If we're going this way, why
Hey, who? Is that, are all the coolest kids here?
Yeah.
Alright, that's what we want.
Shane, Danny. Where are they?
Oh.
Hey, let's go! Let's go! Go!
They're brave.
They put on deodorant, bro. I know. I forgot to put them on.
Hey, you guys don't be making John do stuff.
Hey, Johnny, let's go!
John, come on! John!
Shake it up, let's go!
Get over here, bro. I think he drowned a little bit. He looks like he's trying to blow his nose.
John always gets water in his nose.
Diogo, don't do that.
Diogo! John, get in there!
I folded it.
Hey, you guys don't be making John do stuff in the water. He might drown. Get in the picture. Everyone get close.
Alright, so you're so wet. Angie, get it.
Why you want me to swim?
Don't kneel, just get in front.
Angie, smile for once, please.
It's right there.
I agree. What do you mean?
See? Angie, you're just making it worse.
You're not photogenic, honey. So let it go. 1, 2, 3.
Yay. Hi. Hello, Mrs. Cameron. Hi, Chris. Hey, guys, how you guys doing?
Sorry. You got another picture. We have the softer sand over there for the little one and all his. Hi, Charlene. Nice to meet you. My husband, Augustine.
Hi.
Oh, I know. You're so worried about your toys.
I can still feel it.
All right.
Shane will not wrestle.
Yesterday, get that thing out of my face. Get that thing out of my face.
Oh my God, you're famous.
Hey, yesterday.
Hi, ladies.
So perfect. Like, I was like, my back is perfect.
Wave, hey.
Hey! Welcome to MBT TV.
Hello. Oh my God. I didn't know you were filming me.
What was you part of?
Oh, I gotta go. My wife wants me to do something important. There's her heavyweight. Same thing. Bye-bye. Hello. Mrs. Camera, how are you? Oh, her mouth hurts. Oh, there's...
Girl, say my name.
I don't know. Angie's mom.
Clarabelle.
Clarabelle. Hi, Clarabelle. Is it Clarabelle? It's not Clarabelle. It starts with a V, right?
It's with a V, Clarabelle.
Yeah. Like, I can't say that if you tell me.
Brandon.
You're a movie star.
Get the wet sand. The dark sand is better for castles.
Well, I mean, the guys will get better benefits because
You have to just dig.
John.
The wet sand is
Chris?
everywhere.
Jonathan. Oh, hey, I'm here too. Oh. Oh, I didn't even know. I'm just surprised you turned the camera around, professional cameraman. I'm just here hanging out with my friends at the beach.
I'm gonna take this. That's pretty cool.
Thank you. Hey, don't hide that Budweiser. That's illegal here. It's illegal. Hey, when you're around my wife, she does everything by the book. She's. I'm just kidding. Love you. Go, go!
How do you expect him to turn around?
I think, yeah, somebody.
Hard to turn with 6 foot legs.
You know what? That's his negative thinking.
Shuttle run. Drop the eraser, pick it up.
Yeah, the eraser, yeah.
Remember that?
Remember that?
Yes.
And then you get confused.
Field day, I think, and we had to move it from like one line to the other.
Let's go, Melina! Go, Melina! Oh, yeah.
And you put 200%.
They were tied when they got to Shane.
I'm a slow runner. I did my best.
All right, I'm gonna send this video to your brother. Melina, I'm sending this to your brother. I just don't understand.
Oh my God, you caught that on camera too? What I said?
What you're saying now, yes. Oh wait, here's a big one. That's my son. Diogo, if you want to ride home, you better win.
Download the Uber app.
It wasn't even close.
Eddie's fast.
That guy cheated. I don't know who it was, but I don't know.
They both hit Shane's hand.
No, but Eddie's
Yeah, Eddie's a little bit quicker. We'll work on it. We're gonna get him. Those Ethiopians or what is it? Where are you from? Are you Ethiopian? Eddie, are you from Ethiopia? Where are you from? Ethiopia.
I get.
Where's you from?
Long, if it's short, I get Seminole, I get Samoan.
Yeah, but where?
Japanese. I'm like, no.
Filipino. That's close. It's E and P in the alphabet.
Hey, Tufo!
Oh, that
Oh,
would've been
seriously?
close.
The hole in the corner.
There's a hole.
Can we get the Zamboni out here, please?
Yeah. Oh.
Shane, you're not running? Oh, because of your shoulder?
I went to Faux.
Dad, don't pick on your son.
Yes, that place is so
His shoulder's probably hurting really bad. Seriously, guys. Hey, this is on video. We're putting this on YouTube channel.
We are?
Have some pride.
War.
We will do a tug of war after the sprints.
Kind of sucks that I
Diogo.
slipped on 2 different holes.
Pick somebody you can beat. Chris. No. Hey. Diogo, race. Yeah, pick somebody you can beat. Pick Shane. Pick Shane. You can beat him.
Go, you have some competition?
Huh?
You have some competition?
Nah, the weather's not good. Seriously. Is this what you guys do to entertain Angie at the practice? I'm counting on you to tell on them. Danny?
What happened?
Do you know how to swim?
No. I don't know how to swim. I forgot my float.
I know, I was about to say. Alright, let's go. Who's up next?
They're still doing things.
Are you and alright, come on. You and Kyle, get up.
Kyle again? I'm gonna throw up.
Yeah, no, I'm right here. So listen, you gotta go touch your hand and come back. And John, you stand there, put your hands out. Hey, this is for our neighborhood fastest man competition. Have some pride.
Look at that.
Come on, Kyle, get the ball.
Shut up.
John, don't try to trick him. Let's go. We gotta do it right. Yeah.
Went on 3.
Are you okay? That was a close one. That was a close one.
No, I gotta raise my blood first.
We're not doing Greco. All right, hold on. You gotta touch her hand. Put your hands out, Melina.
Oh, snap.
Come on, Austin, don't let him beat you.
Come on, Austin.
Who? Max? Max!
Yes.
Nice job, Max. Nice job. Austin.
My foot
Thank you, Melina.
got
Thank you.
caught up in the sand.
Got caught up in the sand. It sounds like an excuse I would use.
John, you go.
It's like steel. It's like hitting steel.
50-year-old steel.
So they're 10th grade now? Or they're not? Okay.
So,
God, you didn't catch me eating cake.
oh,
A tangerine.
same thing. Almost not. What's that? Twins? Yeah, identical twins. No, they're. That was a good one. One is I don't know, what does that mean? Why would you say that?
Because I thought one was younger than the other.
They're identical twins. I don't know, I'm sorry if anyone sees this.
What? I went to medical next time. I didn't go.
There's a thing that says add a link. No, go to information. Anchor it, buddy. Anchor it.
Go.
No, you gotta go to the end. Tell everybody's pulled through.
Hey, stop sitting down.
Don't give up. Don't give up. Pull. Pull. Get up. Eddie, get up and pull. You haven't finished yet? Kyle, keep pulling. You gotta pull the whole team through the line. Keep going. Pull, pull.
Don't go.
Diogo, get up. No, Diogo, you have to get back.
They had one extra player because there was uneven. There's so much. Give us one. Coach, you saw how it was the last one and they couldn't call me. Oh, that was good.
Yeah, don't hurt him, Diogo.
I gotta give it advice. This is the best anchor you can ever have. Best anchor.
All right, reset. Mix the team up. That team was obviously not fair because it was.
Not fair. Who was 7 people too? Who was 6?
Hey, Chris, our heaviest person was Kyle. Our heaviest person was Kyle.
Well, you know what? I see Shane's dad sitting there doing nothing, like an old man. Help out. Their teams aren't even.
Hey, Coach, instead of recording, why don't you help us too?
Yeah, Coach, you play.
Because I'm recording, I'm doing something.
It's got a tripod.
It's a tripod.
Shut up.
Tripod. Is that?
That's how it works now.
Yeah, I understand. All right, Kevin, can you help the team that lost? They need an anchor.
What are you gonna do?
I'm filming.
I'll record if you want to play.
No, I gotta pee, right? I do have to pee really bad.
Okay, Kami's out.
It's not like, no, can you
Baby.
back so it's ridiculous.
Chris. Yes, sir. Hello. Eddie, how you doing, Eddie? Alex. Austin. Yay! Lena, yay! That's funny, but don't remind me never to invite them over again. Chris, don't let her put your finger on your head. Excuse me, your butt's in the way. Can't see. Thank you. Oh wait, I'm here too. Just hanging out at the beach with my wife. We're on YouTube right now, 100%.
Oh, live?
Yeah, it's live. Live. Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness, text my mom.
Oh.
Hi, Mom.
I don't know what that means, but yes, we're live. Oh. All right. Guess we'll say goodbye.
Make sure you get cut on the wrestling team, and there goes your friend. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you for visiting my channel. Thank you for visiting.
Bro, I brought up my grades so well.
Love you. Kyle and Diogo, you guys kiss and say goodbye.
Oh.
Chris, get out of the way. I'm trying to get my son intimate with his best friend. Diogo, why is my towel on the ground? I don't believe that. Diogo, I don't believe Kyle would do something like that. Kyle, I see your underwear. Run. All right, Melina, let's go. See how strong you are. And I remember Al could barely carry anyone on his back because he was so weak. Don't lean back.
I told you won't.
Knock, get on my back.
Shane.
That seems sabotage. All right, go back. Let's see. I'll film you guys. Go ahead.
Come here. What?
Little farting, that is tough.
They're wearing flip-flops.
What?
I can't buy my glasses, man.
My turn, Diego. Let's go. My turn. You ready? Wait, no, I got someone.
Yes. Max, maybe that teaches you not to sabotage.
Oh, yeah.
Very good.
That's not fair, bro.
Yay.
It's so light.
I am very
You know how big my glass is?
No, Shane.
Don't take off your hoodie while we're behind.
Come on, Austin, make it back.
Okay, let's go.
Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Like we're...
She's tough. Hi, I'm still here. Sitting in the same chair, watching the same things. Melina, you did a nice job. So the video I sent to your brother,
It's because Britt friggin'
well, I saw he was kind of sabotaging.
he wiggled.
He was a little jealous.
He wiggled.
Chris doesn't sabotage. Chris is a good weight.
There you go, big man. Are they wrestling?
No, but Chris, yeah, watch what you say to people you don't know.
Whoa.
right, Diogo, who's next?
I can carry Chris.
Take someone else, Diogo.
Back.
Austin, take Austin. Take Austin. Austin, jump on Diogo's back. That's not gonna work.
And they live happily ever after.
Ready? All right, we're gonna time you guys. Ready?
Wait.
Just give me an excuse. Do that thing where you carry me sideways.
Oh, what's up? What's up?
Can we carry them any way we want?
Yeah, any way you want. Ready? You have 5 seconds. 5,
Austin, hold on.
4, 3, 2. Fireman scary, go. Honey, what do you think about your son carrying?
Yeah, I think he should run. Ask him to run. Run, Diogo!
Diogo, run! Run!
Like your life depends on it. Run.
Faster!
What was that part of facing the Giants?
You're so bleeding.
Yeah.
Pushing into my balls the whole entire time. It felt really weird.
Yeah. No, it's on camera. You don't want to say that for all the parents. Guy, are you okay?
Yes, coach.
Did that hurt your back? All right, just making sure. Whoa! Whoa! Eddie, we have that on tape. You're not as strong as the girls?
Let's go, Eddie, come on. Let's go, Eddie. Go.
Hey, Max, you carry me in.
Max, yeah, carry your brother.
What are you on, crack?
That's your twin brother.
Ahead.
Your son's got ways to go.
Kyle,
Wow,
it's the audio in here. I can hear you when you swear. Thank you.
Now look at that.
Thank you, Daddy. Let me have a life.
Let's go, Chris. You can do it. Come on. Sprint. Let's go. Good for you. Let's go. Keep going. Let's go. Don't drop him.
All the way through. Nice job.
Like how you don't sabotage him, but you sabotage yourself.
Diogo, keep your heads up.
Sorry about Austin.
Come on, Austin.
Oh, God, that's already a takedown. I did not expect
Eat
that.
sand.
Let's go again. I can? Yeah, let's go again.
See, I would do that. if
Austin,
you
don't give up. Stop being a quitter.
Father.
No, that's what I say, go again.
were- I would also do that, but like sand.
Wow, bro.
See what I mean?
Kyle, you're next.
That hurts. My butt.
It's different when it's on sand.
It is. It's a lot.
David's coming.
I'm not.
Kyle, get him. Get him, Kyle.
Like you really want to wrestle. You want to be on the team. Come on.
Don't pull him on top of you. All right, do it again. Do it again. That doesn't count. Kyle, doing jiu-jitsu. Kyle, get on him now. Go. Kyle.
They don't have to be so close.
Yeah, get on him. Don't. Which one? Wait, hey, which one's Kyle? Which one's my son?
Your son is the tall one. Kyle's the small one.
All right, got him. I got him. Thank you.
That's gonna go me.
Whichever one's winning is your gun.
Do it.
Hurry up. Takedown.
You really think you're gonna beat the coach's son?
I should. All right, keep going. It's no takedown. Go, go.
Coach, I'll go with my brother.
All right. No, not yet. Keep going. Now is the takedown.
Then it just doesn't work out.
Eddie. You're on.
Eddie, your turn.
Diogo.
Turn him out.
Hey, work fast, fast. Come on. He's tired. Go ahead, jump on him.
I'm talking about this for you.
Ready, go.
Last time you got beat in 20 seconds.
He said.
You last longer than that?
Standing up. Why?
No, bro, he's shooting
Go.
you. I'll go get Eddie. You shoot. You shoot him.
Diogo. Shouldn't do that.
Come on.
It's not no takedown yet. Keep going.
How's it over? Take
Now it's the takedown. Eddie, hey, Eddie, do it again. Ready,
Yeah, don't make me wait
set. Yeah, you're walking home. Go.
Junk food. That's fat. Come on, do something. Save your dad's life for nothing.
Oh, it's a street fight. Come on. All right, one last time. Eddie's a freshman. Come on, ready? Go.
Eddie against back, not leg.
Go. Come on. Something.
Oh, he's got sand in his eyes. All right, Kyle, you want to try one more time?
That sucks.
That's what was happening at the...
Ready, set, go.
Sit up, bro.
Careful.
No,
you're bringing it
get on him now, Kyle. He's got to be ready.
Is it out of
Go,
your
go, go, go.
I feel it.
Okay, well get over here so I can take it out, Donald Brain.
Say nice things. I'm not going down.
Kyle, do it again.
Politely, because you guys are all here.
Hey, Austin, ready, go. Keep it going. Austin, you're next. Don't give up the takedown. Let me do.
Come here. Scratch me.
Go behind, Kyle. Go behind.
I knew it.
That was a takedown. All right. 2 out of 3. One more time. That was good, Kyle.
Pressure down.
Congratulations, Kyle. That was the takedown. But
I knew it.
Diogo, ready, go. Oh, wait, what? All right, that's takedown. All right, Austin. It's next.
That's enough.
No, no. Yeah, he's got to get 2. Ready, go. No, don't shake hands. This is no sportsmanship.
No sportsmanship. All right. Yeah, we hate each other.
Oh, look, there's one over here. That's ironic. Just joins in.
Austin, get on top of him. Go.
No, I know.
Yeah, but your head's down. You can't do anything with your head down. Keep your head up. He won't be able to do that.
Oh! Get one, Austin.
Austin, you're stronger than that. Come on.
Oh my god!
Austin, get on him. He's tired. Hang the head. Oh, that was good. Okay, that's takedown. One more time. One last time. Hey, Austin, keep your head up. That was good. Get on him right now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Chris, you're next. You don't want to? Are you scared? Are you scared? That's what, say it. All right, get on him. I want you to be aggressive. Go out there and kill him.
Aggressive is my middle name.
I know, I know. Little weight difference here.
A lot of weight difference. I'm like probably.
I lost like 30, 20 seconds with Diogo.
That's depressing.
Not while they're wrestling.
Huh? Try what? not that funny. We're the same.
You're the same weight shot. Wow.
All right, that's a takedown. All right. Now you get Chris.
No, that's enough.
No.
I'm done.
Seriously, you're scared of
Afraid?
Yeah, you're afraid of Chris?
I'm tired. No, you're scared.
Joe, come
Austin. Seriously? We gotta work on
on. You
that.
have to
Practice.
train
All right.
this.
Ready?
And you'll try it.
Ready? Go. Austin, out of the way. I can't video.
Come on, Chris.
Wait, that doesn't count. I wasn't ready. Do it again. Let him go. I wasn't videoing at the time. Go. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get on him. Yeah, stop muscling him, Tiogo. Use technique. Chris, you don't have to look in his eyes. You don't look in his eyes. That was all right, Melina. Are you ready? All right, Diogo, you're done. I want to see.
I'll wrestle my brother.
Yeah, wrestle your brother. Take your glasses off.
Just got new underwear on.
No, there you go, Austin. It's fair. No, it's not. Yes, it is, bro.
Well, I would hope you'd have to wash him after the peach anyway.
I washed myself early. I wasn't expecting to go farther.
You guys go farther back so you don't get us to Sandy.
Yeah.
That way, that way. Farther that way.
Alright, no, that's it. I'm going.
Yeah, that's.
Sam.
So, Austin, you're not allowed to step outside of that circle.
Go wash yourself.
Push him a little bit hard.
Oh my God, go away. Go.
I'm not allowed to push outside the circle. Yo, push in. Come on.
All right, try something different. Austin, or Max, don't keep your head up. You're fine. Do it again.
I'm not allowed to step outside of the circle.
Well, I don't care. Just don't lose to your younger brother.
I'm sorry, which one's older?
On the right.
Austin? That's probably why he's taller.
Wow, he's 10 seconds older. All right, so that's what you have to teach. Hey, at home, I expect you to teach. Don't go to your back like that. You have to learn. Austin, can you teach your brother to fight off that?
Yeah, I've been telling him about that.
Yeah, you get, not tell him, show him. Because what happens is it's jiu-jitsu, right? You go to your back, you try to fight off it. That's not what we want. We want you to defend that before you go to your back. Okay? It's a big difference. You'll last longer.
I want to out.
All right, you two up. You guys want to wrestle?
I want to wrestle. I'm sorry, how did my hair get inside the bullets?
Oh my God, Melina, whatever excuses you make, it can't be worse than your brother.
I hurt myself. I ain't making no excuses for my wrestling. Why not?
Yeah, go wrestle her. Try to
Why
take
you
down.
want to wrestle me instead of Ariana, huh?
Well, because he wants to win. You better try harder.
I don't know anything about wrestling.
You better try harder. That's all I'm saying.
I'm already up.
No takedown yet.
Oh,
No slapping.
slap. That's.
All right, takedown. Do it again. Ready? Go.
Use that anger on Max. He's easy. I did a clean dunk under on him.
Stop backing away. No running away. Stop complaining. All right, that was takedown. One more. Ready? Come on, Max. Come on, Melina. It's tied. 2 out of 3. Let's go.
Go, Ariana, go!
Get him down. Takedown. Hey, push his face in the mat.
What?
You're allowed to push his face after a takedown.
I'm allowed to?
Oh, well, Sorta. Good job. Say hi to your brother.
You alright, bud?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay, just making sure. I wish Eric was here so you guys could meet somebody.
Alright, who's next?
No, I'm good.
I'm hyped, come on!
Oh, God.
Did you the obstacle?
We were in the wrestling room, then here, I'll get it. I'll do what my mom does.
I just got my...
Diogo, do pull-ups. I'm videotaping. Diogo, do pull-ups. I'm videotaping. That's it? Kyle, we can't do it? What? He did one more than you. He did, I don't know. How many did you do? Diogo only did 5. Diogo can do 5. Hi. Best day of your life. Best day of your life. What are you doing? Whatever. All right, you guys want to get ready to go? We can go.
Yes, sir.
Austin, did you have fun? Yeah, good, because that's what I was here for. We're here to have Austin make sure he has a good time. Peace out. Grab, take those chips.